Okay, so welcome back. This is part 3, the how to configure Linux servers. And today we're going to start making a WordPress server. So yeah, here we are back in the server from before. You're gonna go on to paste all of this. I'm gonna put it on the description below, but this is all the package you need to do the process here. It has Apache 2, MySQL, and then all the other PHP stuff. We just gotta wait for it to finish. Okay, you can see it's finished here. Now afterwards, we're going to do UFW. This is for the allow firewall. This here, UFW, allow in at Apache, and close it. And afterwards, it says rule v1 something is updated also. Next, afterwards, we want to go to mysql dash. Oh, I think it's wrong here. Yeah, you have to install mysql first. mysql underscore this installation. Okay. Now he's gonna say something here. You want to say yes. This one. Set the password here. For now, you could make a better password, but I'm gonna pick 0 for the weakest one. So I'm gonna set the password here. Okay, after you enter your password and you set it, yeah, you're just gonna press yes and everything else here. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 and this one. Okay, it's already finished. Next, we're gonna go to mysql -u for user, and then click root, and then the password here. We're gonna set our password that we set before. And yep, there you go. Now we're here. First off, what we're gonna do is create a database in mysql. So you want to create database and then put whatever you want for your database. Me right now is WordPress. And don't forget to put a semicolon to finish it. There you go, it's now created. We also want to create a user for the database. Create user here. Put the username as Raphael. Put this and this in the end. I want to put this afterwards on your username also. And then we're gonna encrypt it by typing this mysql native password. Then you want to put your password here. We're gonna set the password to test123 capital A. Close it. Then you're done with this one. Just gonna click enter. Now we want to give all the privileges from the database before, so the WordPress database in WordPress. We're going to put a dot and a star here, and then we send it to user report. So we send it to Raphael UIB, and we close it. Don't forget the semicolon either. Okay, we're mostly done here. So you want to flush the privileges first, semicolon. Alright, and then we can exit it out. Exit semicolon. And you're done with the setup with MySQL for now. So now afterwards, we want to... Alright, afterwards we want to download the WordPress file first. We're gonna put this thing here. This is the link. Move this thing, make it capital O. I'm gonna put this on the description. It's now gonna begin downloading the WordPress file. And there it is, it's done now. You can ls, you can see it. There we go, we have layers tar.gz. You're gonna want to extract with the tar, exe, pf and the name of the file. There we go. And it's gonna begin extracting all that. You can see up there all the processes going on. Alright, there you go, you finished. And you can try ls again. You can see here we have a WordPress file now, the WordPress directory. Gonna want to move this. So mv, move it, the WordPress file to /var/www, and we're just gonna place it here. Alright, so /var/www. Alright, now that's done. Now next thing we want to do before we edit any of the WordPress files is to nano /etc/php-2/sites available. There you go. Sites available. Typo here /variables the file A1. So I'm gonna put it as wordpress.conf. You can name the WordPress to anything, but like your domain name. And in here we're gonna put it as virtual host space star and 2 dots 80. Don't forget the 2 dots there, and close it. Here in the first one we're gonna put in as server name and put whatever you want for your server name. I'm gonna put as this thing. Then your server alias. Server alias is your domain name, www.domainname, same as above, but with www. Alright. Then we're gonna put in the server admin after this. We're gonna put it as webmaster at localhost. Alright. And afterwards, you gotta go next. In this one, you gotta put in the document root. You want to remember the root before that we paste in our WordPress file and we move it. So it's /var/www/WordPress. Then we can close it with /virtualhost here. You don't need to put the 80 star thing again. You just close it. Alright, save it here and we're done. The reason we do this is so that when we open the website through our URL, it will immediately go to our WordPress and not have to do index anymore. Alright, afterwards we want to do this first. Alright, it's going to set the thing to enable. We also want to disable the index website with this to the site. Just disable it. We can also check the configuration if it's correct or not with this php-ctl config test. Right, you can see here that the query is okay. Can continue on then. Next, we're gonna want to restart it just like it says. Reload Apache 2. Alright, now it's done. After so we're done with the Apache here, we want to then go move into change directory /var/www/WordPress. This is the thing that we set before, the document root. You want to go inside it and cd. You can see all the file here. We want to copy w strip content and this php, so replace it with wp-config.php. Right, now that you're done, we're going to open it. Next, gonna open all of this stuff. You want to scroll down here. Now you want to remember the database that we set before. In here, we want to set the database from the MySQL one. We set before to WordPress, so we want to put WordPress here. Right, And before again, we also made the username to Raphael KS UIB. You want to do that to what you said before also. Then we also set the password to what we set before. The password we set before was test123 capital A. Alright, you're gonna save that, say yes, and there you go. We're mostly done here. We're basically done. What you want to do afterwards is we're gonna want to open our Chrome here or your browser and type in the domain before. I'm just gonna open the WordPress. Just gonna make a sign-in thing. Let's change the server name to this one. Set the username. I already set it before. So change the password. You can hide it here. Put this password. That's very weak. But if you don't care, you just press confirm here if you want to use the weak password. Set the email. And afterward, you can just press confirm. There you go. Now you can press login, and there you see your WordPress is done. Alright, we're done here. You can see here the WordPress server is done. If you like, please watch the previous video, and thank you for watching.